Hey guys, what's up? This is Mr. Tech and you're watching the review of the Redmi 5 Plus. So first of all, let's check out the specs of the device. The Redmi 5 Plus has a 5.99-inch display, 4000 mAh lithium polymer battery, Snapdragon 625 chipset, 3 or 4 GB RAM, 32 or 64 GB ROM with expandable storage of up to 128 GB by using the micro SD card, which will use the second SIM slot. In the front you get a 5 megapixel selfie camera, and in the back a 12 megapixel camera which can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second and FHD videos, 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. And the Redmi 5 Plus runs on MIUI 10 based on Android Nougat, and you can upgrade it to Android Oreo if you want. So the device is only 180 grams. Though it has a larger screen and a larger battery, it does not feel that much heavy. The device is very much handy. So the Redmi 5 Plus has a 6.99-inch display with 18:9 aspect ratio. The display is huge and it's not a single hand device. You need to use both your hands, but if you have big hands then it will be easy for you to use. The build quality of the device is awesome. It has a uni-metal body and it gives a very good feeling in your hands. The camera quality of the device was also quite nice. These are some of the photos taken with the Redmi 5 Plus, and as you can see, the resolution and the contrast of the photos are very nice. Camera can also shoot 4K videos at 60 fps. The performance of the device was also quite nice. With the Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 chipset, I could run the device very smoothly, and the 3 GB RAM made the multitasking very smooth also. With the fingerprint scanner of the device is also quite fast. As you can see, it does not take even a second to unlock the device and it is very accurate. With the 4000 mAh battery, I could use the device for a whole day and I did not have any problem with it. And under the normal usage, the battery lasted for almost 2 days. Overall, the performance of the device was very good and I was very much impressed by it. The price is also set just below $200, which is a budget oriented price. At this price range, this is the best smartphone I have ever used. So this is it guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. And also let me know in the comments whether you like the Redmi 5 Plus or not.